वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ आपकी फेवरेट क्रिस्टी एंड मैंने बहुत टाइम से ये ट्रेंड मैंने देखा है, द कोल्ड गर्ल मेकअप लुक ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। काफ़ी सारे इंटरनेशनल मॉडल्स ने ट्राई किया है, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ने ट्राई किया है एंड आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट वी गिव इट अ ट्राई ऑन आवर स्किन, a skin that is full of texture, acne scars, and why not, because I'm a girl with PCOD and hypothyroidism and this is the babe's real skin. So without any further ado, let's begin with the tutorial, but first hit the subscribe button. Let's begin with the OG MAC Strobe Cream. Now you may apply any illuminating cream, but this strobe cream will give that natural in-depth glow to your skin, and don't forget a flawless base too. Now we are going to apply this concealer by LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I am in the shade medium beige, which is the exact match to my skin tone. Remember to blend it well. Then we are going to apply Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer, and I am in shade medium. This will give an even skin feel to my face. Don't forget to blend it out really well. Then we are going to use this foundation by MAC. This is the MAC Studio Sculpt Foundation and I am in shade NC38. Now you may either use a damp beauty blender or a foundation brush. Now it's time to define our eyebrows, for which I am using Maybelline's Tattoo Brow. Now this one is super pigmented, waterproof and stays for more than 24 hours. Now we are going to highlight under our eyes. For this I am using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now this concealer is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Remember to dab, not to drag. Now we are going to apply this blush by Sugar. This is my favorite blush stick of all. This is in the shade Mauve Marvel. And please be generous. Kanjoosi nahi karna. This is the main part of this look. Then I'm going to dab it out well. You may use your fingers or a damp beauty blender, whatever suits you. Then I'm going to use Benetton for a glowy, dewy blush effect. I mean, just look at that glow on my cheeks. I mean, it's just truly wow. Let's apply the white pencil liner on the lower lash line of our eyes. Now, this pencil was bought locally and it's an exact dupe for NYX Jumbo White Eye Pencil. I will definitely find an alternative for it and link it below in the description box. Do check it out. Then we are going to use highlighter by MAC in shade Soft and Gentle on our eyelids to give that nice icy effect. You may also apply it on the bridge of your nose and your cheeks as well. Then we are going to set our entire face with MAC Compact in shade Medium Golden. Now this gives beautiful coverage and keeps my makeup intact without that cakey feeling. Mascara by Insight. This is an affordable mascara and a dupe for Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and amazing. Just look at it. It's time to get our ombre lips ready. For this I'm using Max Meher and applying it on my lips without any lip liner. Then we are going to apply Max Ruby Woo and dab it on the inner middle part of our lips. You may use any other red lipstick that you have. You may use your finger to dab and blend it, but remember to keep it only on the middle inner part of your lips. Do not spread it across the entire lips. And lastly, let's make our lips juicy and plumpy. For this I'm using Clear Gloss by Swiss Beauty. And that's it guys. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to leave your thoughts, suggestions and requests in the comment section below. I would love to interact with you all. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, then I will pin it in the comment section below. And lastly, please do subscribe and help my channel grow. Bye.